Sisiyan. Sama ka sa sisiyan. Sama ka sa sisiyan.
Papatiin ko kuya.
Sama ka sa sisiyan.
Pwede ko na kill yung Ender Dragon.
Bawal pa.
Ah!
Siyan.
Ah.
Tawag ka ng daddy mo. Oh, time. I love everything about you. About you. Back. Back. You too. We can love.
Lakas ka na?
Oo. Alis na ba? Ala pa akong pagsuot. Hindi na ako maliligo.
Ano naman na yun? Wala ka malagit doon.
Eh, sino maghatid sa atin? Lalakad lang? Ampang. Ano?
Manit lang ako. Okay, manit lang ako.
Oo. Papalit na ako.
Hindi na ako maliligo. Hindi pa rin maliligo kagad sa your birthday na ito ba?
Ang pinagpili. Ang sindambong na. Ang pinto. Totoo, ang Panginoong ginamo. Panginoon mo. Oh. Ima. Emotion. Pili. Pag-atake ka mga mobs. Mag-atake ka na mga mobs. Kung ito, pwede ka na sa... Ay. Ba? Uy, ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yung galsing? Yan. Yan mag... Saan mo yan nahanap? Dapat ma-atake ka na mga mobs. Pero pwede ka mag-buy nito kasi may Robux. Kasi po pa ang daming Robux. I have 0 Robux. 0 Robux. I have 0 Robux. Tan. Anong level ba yan? Party. Kay Lucas ako. Punta ako kay Lucas. Titalan. Punta ako kay Lucas. Ay, sa loob. Ano ba itong points? 40, dami. Ako 10. Makakapit na ako, malapit na lang. Sampak na bang? Eh, Lucas! Diba alis na tayo?
Hindi ako kasama.
Pwede na ko kasama. Eh, Lucas, ba't hindi ka kasama?
I don't know. Yay.
Boy was told by his mates to pray before he goes to sleep. The boy said,
I don't know how to pray.
Dad said, just pray for the family. The boy said,
Mama, please, tell Dad I can't pray.
Mommy said, be quiet and just pray. The boy said,
Okay, Mommy. Dear Lord, forgive our neighbor who I always see with my sister wrestling on the bed. Forgive my brother who sneaks at the house every day to sleep with his girlfriend. Please provide clothes for all the naked ladies in my dad's home, and don't let them drain my dad's money. Please give my dad the courage to buy us good things, as he always does for my babysitter Ashley. Please provide shelter for all the men who sleep in my mom's room whenever Daddy travels. Amen.
Eh, Lucas, di mo yung avatar ko.
What?
Alam mo itong game? Alam mo itong game? Alam mo itong game? Oops. Easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy pangit.
every time we ride, it's like taking you to pick up yourself. So did you sleep at the house last night?
No, I was asleep. Alright, I really went to Michaela's house to Netflix and chill.
Come on, so when I was really, I was really
Keyless. Keyless.
He really is your son, huh? Hey,
What's up, Dad?
you know the house rules. You can't eat outside the kitchen.
But Dad, I'm not making a mess.
I'm sorry, it's house rules.
But how come you and Mom get to break that rule?
What? We've never broke that rule.
Lies, because I found evidence that...
We've never broke that rule.
Lies, because I found evidence that y'all were eating cupcakes in y'all's bedroom.
Cupcakes.
Yeah, there was icing on the sheets.
If someone suddenly starts thinking you're in a tourist area, congratulations, you have just entered into a scam. Scammers in tourist areas walk up to the shiny metal kid and offer a near clean service. And before you can say no, the tool is already underneath. And as they remove the tool, it is covered with full of clear wax, which is usually someone else. Then they start asking for heavy payment for the service. The best way to avoid this scam is to carry headphones and simply walk away without acknowledging the scammer. If someone suddenly... Thank you. These are some of the weirdest, most genius speed bump designs around the world. First is the active speed system in Sweden. It uses a radar to detect if a car is speeding and sends a signal to lower the speed bump by a few inches. Next, we have an intelligent speed bump in Spain, which is filled with a liquid that stays soft when you drive over it slowly, but then gets rock hard if the driver hits it at high speed. Then we have the one-way spike bump. If a vehicle rolls over it from the wrong direction, the metal spikes will instantly puncture the tires and leave the driver stuck. But if you drive over it at the correct side, it works just like a normal speed bump, letting you pass without a single puncture. These are some of the weirdest moments.
This guy had no idea how big a mistake he was making by mixing gold and silver. He started pouring molten gold and silver from both sides of a coil, thinking they would stay separate. But the moment they met in the middle, the silver began to make the gold disappear. So he added even more gold. But after it cooled down, it was neither gold nor silver. It had turned into something that looked like iron. This guy had no idea.
If you shoot a bullet at a banana, you might think banana would deflect it. But in reality, the bullet would easily go through any wood. However, if that banana were made of solid gold, the outcome changes. Pure gold is so dense that it would just flatten the bullet on impact. If you shoot a bullet at a
Mama, all the people.
This boy wanted to confess his love to his crush, but he was too shy to speak to her. So he ran to her car in the freezing cold and started drawing on the windshield. At first, it looked like he was just making a mess with 3 random lines, but he told her to watch closely. He carefully connected them and turned his nose to the brother's hand, making a finger mark. It was the most romantic confession ever. But his crush said she will only go on a date with him if he gets 2 likes. This boy wanted to confess.
This viral trend just destroyed.
Good. This is considered one of the saddest art pieces ever made. It's called Can't Help Myself. The robot was programmed to constantly scoop up the hydraulic fluid that kept it alive. When it first came out in 2016, it was full of energy, moving quickly, reacting sharply, and even playfully dancing for the audience from time to time. But years of non-stop work slowly wore thin. Its movements became slower, weaker, and less precise. Eventually, it looked like it was losing all its strength, and in the end, it seemed completely helpless. This is considered one of the saddest art pieces ever made. It's called.
This man decided to change the oil in his minibus by thinking of facing a conflicting situation. So he just bought a used minibus and needed to replace its oil. However, when he attempted to do it himself, he had no idea how many cups he would need to collect the used oil and prevent spill. As soon as he placed a few cups down, they quickly filled up. He used everything he could find, from his favorite coffee mug to his safety helmet and even a large Pepsi bottle. But it still wasn't enough. In the end, he even cut open another large bottle, but his efforts were in vain as the oil overflowed. The whole ordeal drained his motivation to continue with the task. This man decided.
Say my name, say my name. Vietnamese, Vietnamese.
What's in the name of my nest?
How's not it? Ice, ice, baby.
Siap, siap, ice, ice, baby.
Oh!
Joy to the world.
Beat. Kumbagal, simple, simple,
Okay.
I'm not singing better.
Happy birthday.
He told his student to sharpen the knife. The student was new and didn't know how sharp the knife needed to be. He acted on his own judgment. He rubbed it on a stone and continued without knowing when to stop. The knife became so sharp that it even cut paper. And when it was the bottle's turn, it split it in 2 like butter. Look, when the master couldn't get his work, Janet seemed to love it. He laughed. No. One time, please, just for the mini one. One time. What I want. You want the news? You want the news? Then you gotta give me what I want. There you go.
Joe, you know having kids with gold.
I know. I have to do it.
Don't let her sit on you. This is Toki. She's gone to the world together with you. And from the very beginning, she's watching your every move. If you don't give her a flower, she will start tormenting you, kicking you, sitting on you, even spitting on you to slow you down. If you try to escape to higher ground, she will slap you. And when your health gets low enough, she might even eat you. Running away isn't an option because Toki can send drones after you. But there is one chance to survive. If you hurt Toki,
Oh,
there's a
stop.
possibility she will spare you.
Mapobia sa'yo. Tara, dun tayo sa labas.
This guy got 2 candidates right now.
Aba,
She tried to open the side,
mainit dun.
and when he opened it, looking at
Eh,
its
mahagin na
it
ngayon.
seemed that there would be some valuable thing in it. But when this guy opened it, there was a tablet in it.
Una. Bawal yun. Bawal yun. Bawal yun. Bawal yun. Sirain ko na yung iPad. Makaray ko itong ano. T-shirt ko. Pangit ko. Oh my God. T-shirt ko. Ay, oh! Ganda! Saan mo nakuha yung mga yan? Ayaw nga pala pinigay ko sa'yo, no? No. Saan ka din nakuha ang green na to? Saan ka din nakuha? Ako nagbigay sa'yo. Siyan. Mas malakas tong Ford. Yan yung pinakamalakas mo. O, diba? Subanlo. Tama to. Yan. O, 13 lang. O, 7 lang. O, 6 lang. Ito pinakamataas mo. Hindi. Ito. Ang hina siyan. Ang papangit. Siya ang bahala kapag hindi ka nakapatay. Yan nga pinakamalakas mo. O, ayun o. Siyan to nga pinakamalakas mo. Mahina na. Tamo kasi, tamo. Kita mo yan, 44. 44, di ba yan? 44 yan. Ito, 13 lang, oh. Mas malakas yan. Mythical yan, eh. Ito, ano lang, epic lang. Mas malakas to. Nakuha ko to sa pinakadulo. Siyan, ito mga pinakamalakas. Huwag ka na makulit. Paano makawanit? Hindi ka pa kasi dyan. Doon ka pa lang sa lamo. Dito ka pa lang doon. Pwede na ako doon sa creeper. Punta sa creeper tayo. Asan ba pet ko? Ano yun? Ay. Bigay mo sa akin. Ayan na eh. Ka na. Electric. Pinasek. Romeo. Papatay na sa dulo. Papatay na ako. Di mo pa kaya yung dulo. Kaya ko. Tumay creeper. Patay na agad. Tara ko nga. Tara mo. Yan, dapat di ka... Lumayas ka mula. Ayas, alas. Namamatay ka na. Ganito kasi. Di ba yan? Dapat ito yung... Ano yung armor mo? Okay. Wait lang. Ano yung pet mo? Equip mo yan. Oh.
Pickle ba yan?
Hindi
where?
yan pickle.
Where yan?
Oo.
Sana kinawaw! Ayan nan. Pwede mo ito lang yung kill yung ano? Please. Yung ito.
Ano yan? May ginagawa. May ginagawa lang ako.
Patingin ko sa wheel ko.
Try mo. Patay ka kagad. Diba? Nasabi ko lang sa'yo.
Patay yung spider na to.
My God. Mas malakas pa ako dito eh. Mas malakas pa ako sa'yo. Mas malakas pa ako sa'yo eh. Hilang mo.
Panda. Oh, where? Tama, where?
Oh,
Tama, where?
May nakuha ko. Oh. Mine.
Ano sinabi mo?
Mutate.
Blue. Panda. Come on. Pickle. Where? Anda. Dami ko nakukuha pag ganun.
Bye. Oh, paano mo nakuha? Paano mo mga nakuha yan?
Dito sa ano na to. Dito. Kumuha ka. Sobrang daming items mo.
Pa!
Wakit buddy. Minaman na wakit buddy. Paglilim na ako, bye.
Bakit?
Alala mo na ako iba. Ano niya, hindi malang masilip.
May bibigay nga ako sa'yo eh.
Ano?
Shield.
Sige. Ang shield. Okay.
Ano yan, bibig? May bibigay ako sa'yo. Ito mo ibibigay sa'yo. Ilang? Nakuha ni Sian. Nakuha ni Sian. Nakuha ni Sian.
Oh my God.
Nakuha ni Sian. Nakuha ni Sian. Ito pa yung pinakamalakas mo.
Ito.
Yan mga pinakamalakas mo. Yan nga yung mga gamit na pinakamalakas mo.
Ito. Angat to.
Yan nga yung mga gamit na pinakamalakas.
Eh, papaya, ito ba yun yung ito?
Hindi. Ito. 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 Mga malakas yan. Pinakamalakas.
Tanggalin mo yung armor.
Hanap kitang bagong armor.
Yes.
Hanap kitang bagong armor. Hanap kitang bagong armor. Hanap kitang bagong armor. Bilang hanap kitang bagong armor. Hanap kitang bagong armor.
Anong binigay mo sa akin, shield?
Hanap kitang bagong armor. Hanap kitang bagong armor.
Yabo.
Hanap kitang bagong armor.
Yabo.
Hanap kitang bagong armor.
Yeah.
Hanap kitang bagong armor.
Yeah.
Hanap lang ang bagong armor.
Yeah.
Naghanap lang bagong armor. Wala akong mahanap bagong armor.
Tetemay.
Wala akong mahanap bagong armor.
Pitip.
Wala akong mahanap bagong armor. Mamaya, bibigyan ko ng bagong armor. Mamaya nila.
Tinanggal ko armor ko.
Bakit?
Ayoko niya ng armor.
Sige. Huwag na lang mga armor. Mga yan na lang, okay?
Gusto ko din mga armor.
Mamaya, hanap kita. Siya, malakas yan. Huwag ka makulit.
Ito lang. Ito lang pinakamalakas yun ng gagawin ko. Ito, sobrang hinab.
Mga lakas nga yan. Ito, mga lakas.
Nga, sobrang hinab.
Oo, ginamit mo pa. Ano mo?
Nagpo-fireworks kanina.
Heart shield.
Fuck you.
Susumbong ito. Sorry.
Ano ba yan? Anong bibigay mo sa akin? Gusto ko niyan. Gusto ko nito.
Mag-trade tayo, guys. Mag-trade tayong dalawa. Ako na mag-trade. Ito bibigay mo sa akin. Wait lang. Ang galing ba? May bibigay ako sa yung bago. Yan, yan. Wait lang. Ulit tayo. Ulit ka din. Ayoko. Sinasakal mo sa sarili mo. Ako magsasakal sa'yo. Die to death. I can die today.